I remember walking in the rain with you. You were laughing, I hated getting soaked, but I stayed just to see you smile. Save that moment deep inside my soul. Now every time the rain starts falling down, I go outside, let my tears blend in. City lights are shining all around, but it's still dark somewhere within. These unforgettable nights, still calling out your name, sending my voice somewhere far, even if it never came. If you're happy, I'm fine. I just hide all the pain, walking alone in the rain, saying goodbye to love again. Tried to run away, I changed the city, but memories don't respect no lines. Climbed so high just to feel something, almost left this life behind. But I'm still here, still breathing slow, cause what I felt was always real. You chose your path, I respect it all, I'm the one left with what I feel. These unforgettable nights, I still see you in my dreams. Even if you never hear me, this song won't ever leave. If one day you think of me, listen close to the rain. All the words I couldn't say are hidden in this pain. I don't blame you for your choice. Your happiness comes first. Everything I felt was true, written in every verse. These unforgettable nights,